Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a very, very special video for you. It is not only something that I have been working on for months, but actually something that I have been dreaming about for years. I have finally created my dream craft room. Now, if you followed my channel, if you know me at all, you know that I have been a paper crafter literally for as long as I can remember. And I've had many different craft rooms, and I now have created a space in my home that is everything that I dreamed it would be. So I am going to take you along on that journey, right from shopping to painting to building, and then the end result. And I actually need your help as well. At the end of the video, I'm not 100% sure the best layout. I've got two different designs in mind. If you could help me out by leaving a comment down below with which layout you think is best, which one aesthetically you think is best, which one functionally you think is best, I would love it. And also subscribe if you want to see me continue on in this journey, all the things that I will create in this new craft room, and as well I will bring you as I move into the craft room. I've created the craft room, and now it's time for me to decorate and actually move in with everything that I can actually create things with. So here we go with the beginning at Ikea.
So I had a look through the entire store so that I was able to actually see the colors, feel the materials, and decide on things. Testing chairs was something critical to really make sure it was comfortable, and then also to compare the different types of materials and decide which one was best. So I decided on the Norden table, this bamboo plant stand. The only thing I didn't get to see in person was this carpet, to see what sort of pink it was. I really wanted to get the calyx units. They are notoriously fantastic for scrapbookers because of the 12 by 12 shape that will fit our albums and papers. This was just for the curtains that I purchased when I was in person, and some stain oil for this Carlby countertop to make sure that I'm able to protect it. I ordered some light bulbs and lamps, and this one here did come shipped to me, but I actually did not get the other one that I ordered. I got 3 of the Alex drawer units. I got 2 of these swivel chairs that didn't look like they were going to be great, but were so comfortable. This love seat was very deep and allows for pillows, which I loved. I've always wanted a Raskog cart, and I'm happy to have that. This is the lamp that I ordered but did not ship to me. And that was the light bulb and timer or dimming switch, and that did ship to me. I got this for filming. It's a ring light and cell phone holder. I am buying the entire SCADA system, and these were all the different pegs and items that I chose. It was the most difficult because I was getting 5 pegboards, and I didn't really know how many of each item to choose. And I don't have an Ikea near me to go back and buy more, so I'm hoping that all of these things will be enough for the project that I have in mind. I suspect that those hooks will be one of my most loved items, as well as that shelf. So I did get 5 of the pegboards, and that is the total order, and the total price listed here doesn't include the other items that I purchased, such as pillowcases, curtains, things that were colors that I wanted to see in person before actually ordering.
Okay, come with me to see what will be my new craft room. I've been working hard at getting rid of everything in here. This was a playroom for my kids, and I have cleared out a lot of stuff so far. I need to get this room emptied so I can start painting the walls. They're currently a really pretty soft yellow, which I was debating keeping, but there are some aspects of the walls that needed to be refinished anyway. And I thought I'm going to start with like a nice white, crisp, clean look and make a couple of those little tiny repairs that need to be. This is the only thing I think will be staying in the room. That typewriter was a really cute find on Facebook Marketplace. Other than that, I will keep probably a couple of these little pictures that are framed in white and this nice mirror that's here. I've got some Ikea bags there, a little peek into what is going into this room, but I just wanted to give you a quick before so you could see where I started.
And it's delivery day. It took about a week for my order to arrive. I was actually surprised at how quick the shipping was, and there is everything. So it's time to pick out paint colors. I really need to get motivated and get this room painted so that the furniture has somewhere to go. I didn't expect it to come so quick. And there's the color that I'm getting. So I just go through the room and I tape off all of the trim and window edges and get prepared for painting. My husband did all of the patching for me, so that was really nice. So it's just a matter of doing the cut-ins and then paint, and everything will be ready to start assembling furniture. I can tell you that everyone in the house helped assemble something in this room. I enlisted all three of my children and my husband at points as well, but even having said that, I have to say that I did the majority of the construction of the furniture. And I'm really proud of myself because this is something out of my realm. Like the normal tools that I work with are a crocodile, a cuddle bug, a paper trimmer. You get my drift. Paper crafting tools. And so to use power tools and hand tools, although you could be very simplistic, IKEA does give you the basics that you need to put everything together. But still, I was pushing myself outside of the box and doing something that is not in my normal realm of activities. So I set up these SCADAS boards to kind of line them up and see how they were going to fit. Here's a tip for you. I definitely made a mistake when calculating the number that I needed. I ordered them thinking that they could either go vertically or horizontally, but they very specifically can only go the way that I'm holding them now, lengthwise across the wall. The peg system only works up and down. It does not work if you turn them the other way. So that's something good to keep in mind if you're ordering some of these for yourself. So I have an unusual amount. I have 5. This is a plant stand that I put together that I'm actually going to use for something else. This was a big surprise. I knew that everything was going to come in boxes, but I did not expect the couch to come in a box. I was shocked to see I had to put a couch together. I thought for sure, because it was so little, that was something that was going to come pre-assembled, but it is IKEA and I should know better. Anyway, I had a really nice surprise. I unboxed this, and then when I got home, my husband and kids surprised me with having the couch assembled for me. So that was really a nice surprise. It's a really great couch too. I'm super happy with how that turned out. The one item that I've had to build twice, and I still have one other one, are the Alex drawers. So this was the first real piece of furniture. Everything else had been lamps and that plant stand, and it was a little intimidating at first. When I opened the box, I saw all the pieces. I actually found a really good YouTube tutorial on how to build the Alex drawers. There's quite a few of them. Although, comment down below if you would be interested in having an absolute novice do a tutorial, because I've done 2 of them now and I do have 1 more to put together if I choose to keep it. That I know some things that were missing in the video for me that probably they took for granted most people would already know. So if you're interested in that at all, let me know. And if I'm going to keep that 4th set of drawers, because I bought a pre-assembled secondhand set off of Marketplace, and I didn't have to install the other new set that I had because I had 3 in total. But this is what all the pieces look like when they come out of the box. And so there really is a lot of different screws and everything, but in the end, they all turned out just perfect. This is another find that I got secondhand, that little Ikea table I found for $25. There's the use for my bamboo stand. And there's my SCADA board. Everything is coming together. I've got all the stuff set up. My son put the chairs together. He ordered himself a new chair for his office as well. He's a student and he put that together, so he was confident putting my chairs together. My Calyx unit. This has a glossy finish. I picked the gloss finish. The Norden table, the gate leg table, I saved to the last because I thought it looked like the most sort of overwhelming, complicated piece that I did not know if I would be able to put together. But in the end, I'll tell you, for me, the Calyx unit was the one I needed help with the most. This one was actually really straightforward. I did it out of order. I actually put together the drawers first, and then I got really good at those because there's 6 of them, so you get lots of practice. And this one I'm actually planning on doing a tutorial for, because I filmed the entire process of putting this table together. I'm just giving you a little sampling of what it kind of looks like and some of the little processes that go into putting this one together. But you can watch for a full tutorial of the Norden gate leg table coming, because I do think it is really a great tool for any crafter to have this kind of table. And now it is time to put in the drawers. And once I am done these, the furniture is built. And it's time to just add some special pink touches to the room. I won't entirely move into the room in this video because I actually need your help. So here's that finished table in the down position. So the thing that I need your help with is trying to determine which is the best layout for this room. I have rearranged it so many times, and these few little decorations will come and go, and they will change probably throughout my time. But as far as the practical application of using this room, I would like to know your opinions. I'm going to show you 2 different layouts once I'm done decorating here, and then you can give me your feedback and let me know if you think you like option A or option B the best. So here's option A. Because I have these large pocket French doors at the entrance to the room, I can essentially block the doorway with the large Norden table when it's all opened up, because even open, I can easily navigate around it to enter into the room. I have a table there at the window to film for lighting. This here would be my main workspace along the long wall. Then in the corner, the only difference is I have the 2 carts there. that I can roll around that's going to hold my audio-visual stuff. This will be a good filming place with a nice backdrop once I have that decorated. And then there's the table folded up, which allows to open up the space as well. The calyx unit is here just standing on its own. Option B would be to completely remove that table from the center and actually shift it over to the wall. The way that I would manage to move that is that I would keep everything else the same, and then the only difference is instead of having the two carts in this corner, I've moved the lamp in there with the single cart, and then the second cart is next to the calyx unit that was by itself. I still have the white table in front of the window, but now that Norden table is in the corner. That white table can easily be moved around, so I can shift it as a center between the table to work in like an L shape. I can lift up that Norden table and have a work surface there as well. I could create like a U shape there. So I'm really trying to determine what the best workspace is. And for you crafters or home office workers, anyone that has an idea about how you utilize your own spaces, let me know what you think about how you think it would best functionally behave, and also aesthetically, like which look did you like better. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all staying till the end if you've made it this far. I'm just going through a couple of the little details here, close up, so that you can have a good look at where I've come to so far. It's been a fun process, and I look forward to creating much more content in this room. Hobonichi planners are going to be something on the top of my to-do list for creating content. I really want to start planning in those, the weeks, the Han, and that little notebook. And I want to highlight how I am planning in those books specifically.
So, what did you think? Comment down below and let me know your choice of A or B. Also, let me know if you have any other tips or tricks or thoughts on my craft room. If you are interested in seeing all the beautiful things I will now create in this inspiring space, definitely hit the subscribe button and follow along. I'm also going to be doing some videos moving into my craft room, and I can definitely bring you along that journey as well. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.